What it do, A70 crew, A70 Drizzy today, and I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sick. My voice is very sore and raspy right now, like more raspy than it regularly is. That's why I ain't been uploading video, bro. I've been feeling terrible, but I feel a little bit better. Like I feel better enough to make a video real quick, so I'm finna go ahead and get this done for y'all. You can tell by the title today, we're talking about the most anticipated releases coming up in February of 2020. But let's not waste no more time. Let's go ahead and get into this list. Alright, first up, we got the New Beginnings pack. The New Beginnings pack consists of the 1984 Nike Airship PE and the 1985 Air Jordan 1 in its true original hot top form. See, Jordan told us we was getting the Chicago's in 2020, and they shot that down kind of quickly. So I'm guessing this is the closest thing we're gonna get to Chicago's, because I'm talking about the red and white pair, the 1985 pair, because these are not true hot top form and it's red and white like Chicago's. So I'm guessing the closer we're gonna get, or the Bloodline 2.0. And to be honest, I don't like the 2.0, bro. I don't like the original version of the Bloodline. Like, stop playing games with us, Jordan. It's been over 5 years since the Chicago release. You gotta fuck with us at some point and let us get them back. But anyways, before I go on the rant, like I was saying, the Nike Airships feature a white leather upper pair with red accent on the collar, interior, swoosh logos, and on the rubber outsole. Meanwhile, the Air Jordan 1 will releasing a new red and white colorway with the OG style hang tag. Both pairs are housed in an oversized box that's split in blue and white with a grid pattern, and also with black and red completed with its corresponding years. Now these are supposed to drop in February. I don't think there's a confirmed date yet. I haven't heard of any confirmed date. Only thing is that's been confirmed is February. I feel like these gonna drop during All-Star weekend, like on some surprise shit, you know what I'm saying? And also the retail for these are $350 for the pack. So these are easy pass for me. I don't know about y'all, but for those who actually want to go for the pack, good luck. Alright, next we got the Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago's. These are pretty much similar to the Fearless ones, but they just got black on the upper, and instead of patent leather, they just use regular leather. And to be honest, this is pretty much Jordan saying this is the closest thing y'all get into the top threes as like of right now. What's different on this pair is pretty much they use the bread color blocking. They got the black around the toe area and instead of the red on the toe area, and they got the red on the toe box instead of white, but they still using that UNC color on the heel. If I would have caught these, I would just flip them. Like that's all I do. Like I have no need for these. I got the top three, so why would I need these? These supposed to drop February 14 or Valentine's Day. Retail price of $160, and that's just another day for me because, you know, I'm single, so I don't got these to buy for nobody. And now we got the red cement threes. It's funny that I'm talking about these because these just stock dropped earlier today, but I missed out on, and I'm not really tripping because 9 times out of 10, I'm not going to cop these anyways. Dressed in the fire red, cement gray, and black colorway, these are basically just the red version of the infamous black cement threes. But these are a little different from the black cement threes. Yeah, they still have Nike Air in the back just like the black cements. But they also dropping a pair that's Geo-Lock for Chicago that says Nike Sha on the back. And to be honest, I like that pair more than the Nike Air pair. These are set to release February 15 during All-Star weekend for the retail price of $200. Okay, next we got the Pine Green Jordan 1. I already have the bread toe color blocking version of these, as you can tell. Yeah, I put some gold lace locks on there because I thought the gold and green really just goes together really well. But I ain't gonna lie, I like the bread color blocking version too. I like those more than the, you know, the bread toe version. I guess I could just like that version more because of that bread color block. I just like that more. That has more black than white in it, you know what I'm saying? Because mostly the things I wear is black, you know, so that really has like a calmer tone to it. Some people even call these like the Gucci ones too because they have green on the toe box and green on the heel, but with the red on the Nike Air on the tongue. And I just feel like that's the Gucci shit like played out now. These just the Pine Green, just call them that. I heard this will be using tumble leather on these. I hope they use the same leather as the Royals in 2017. If you don't know what those look like, hold on, I'm gonna show you. Mine really needs some cleaning, but you see that leather right there? It feels crazy. This is tumble leather. Like it's really good leather. And if they use the same leather on the Pine Greens, these are different. I was gonna cop them anyway, but that's just gonna make them 10 times better. These released February 29th for the retail price of $170. Next up, we got the Travis Scott Dunk. I already talked about these on my last Dribble Drop video. Y'all already know how I feel about these, so it really not much to say other than these are very dope. I'm gonna try my hardest to hit on these. And these released February 29th, the same day as the Pine Green, so I'm really gonna have my pockets ready for this. Alright, and finally we got the Nike Sacai LD Waffles. Everybody know about the Sacai's. Everybody was arguing about them being sneaker of the year. I specifically like the pine green pair, and that's the pair that I'm still hustling to try to get. But these are different from the ones that released in 2019. There's no loud colors, no loud vibrant colors, no mesh upper. These are really just releasing in a white and a black colorway. Just very simple on a nappy suede upper. I honestly like these. If I was to go for these, I might go for them. Depends on how my pocket is looking, because February's gonna hit them hard. I'll probably just go for the white pair, I'm not gonna lie. These have no set confirmed release date yet, but these are coming out in February for a retail price of $160. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
You gotta turn me up, bro.